Seagulls are a common sight along coastal areas and lakes worldwide. These beautiful birds are part of the Laridae family, with around 30 species known today. Seagulls are known for their distinct black-tipped wings and white body. However, their plumage can vary depending on the species, with some having brown or gray feathers. Their diet mainly consists of fish, but they also eat crustaceans, insects, and even garbage. Seagulls have an excellent sense of sight, allowing them to spot food from great heights. Seagulls have an interesting way of eating. They use their beaks to pick up food and then toss it into the air, allowing them to swallow it without chewing. This behavior is known as gulling. Seagulls are social birds, often seen in large groups, known as flocks. They communicate using a variety of calls and body movements. Seagulls are migratory birds, flying thousands of miles to warmer climates during the winter. Some species can travel up to 10,000 miles during their migration. Seagulls are also known for their intelligence. They have been observed using tools and showing problem-solving skills. One study even showed that seagulls can count up to 6. Seagulls have a lifespan of around 20 years in the wild, but some have been known to live up to 40 years in captivity. Unfortunately, seagulls face various threats, including habitat loss, pollution, and human activities. However, conservation efforts are in place to protect these fascinating birds. Seagulls are not only interesting to watch, but they also play an essential role in the ecosystem. They help control pest populations and contribute to the nutrient cycle by scattering seeds and depositing guano. So the next time you see a seagull soaring high above, take a moment to appreciate these amazing birds and the important role they play in our world.